Want to add depth and perfect shading to your Procreate artwork? Let me show you how clipping mask can make it super easy. Hi everyone, welcome back to another Procreate tips video. Clipping masks in Procreate is a powerful way to apply shading, texture, or any effect to a specific layer without affecting the rest of your artwork. Let's say you have a base layer with a simple object, like this sphere. Now I want to add a shadow to it. All I need to do is create a new layer on top of my base layer, tap it and select clipping mask from the layer options. Notice how that new layer only affects the visible pixel of the base layer. Now grab a soft brush, choose a darker shade and paint over the area where you want the shadow. The shading stays perfectly within the shape, giving you that professional clean effect. You can stack multiple clipping masks to build more complex effects or use them to add texture like scratches, highlights, or patterns. Experiment with different blending modes for even more creative possibilities. Try this out on your next piece and let me know how it goes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Procreate tips.